Hi, I'm Bhavika Dedia, the founder of Bhavika Dedia Skin Hair Laser Studio. We specialize in advanced skin and hair treatments to enhance the beauty of our clients. Our focus is not just on facials or styling, but to give healthy transformation. We believe every client deserves personalized care, expert guidance, and visible results. For further updates, please follow us on our website and Instagram page.